The world is evolving faster than ever, and science keeps shattering the limits of what we thought was possible. From medical breakthroughs that could eliminate deadly diseases to space discoveries that redefine our place in the universe, this year has been nothing short of revolutionary. Some of these findings will change how we live, while others will challenge everything we know about reality. This isn't just about cool science facts or interesting trivia. These discoveries will have a profound impact on our lives, our society, and the world as we know it. So, let's look at 15 such mind-blowing discoveries that are bound to change our lives forever. Number 15. Advances in quantum computing. Quantum computing has taken a giant leap forward, and Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip is at the heart of this revolution. Unlike traditional computers, which rely on binary bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This allows them to solve complex problems exponentially faster than any classical computer. The Majorana 1 chip introduces a brand new architecture, powered by a material called a topoconductor. This material enables stable and scalable qubits, overcoming one of the biggest hurdles in quantum computing: error rates. For years, qubits have been too unstable for large-scale applications, but Microsoft's design offers a path to a 1,000,000-qubit system, a threshold needed for practical, real-world impact. With a fully functional quantum system at scale, scientists could design self-healing materials, break down microplastics, and create ultra-efficient drugs. This breakthrough isn't just about computing, it's about reshaping industries and solving problems classical computers never could. The future of quantum technology is now within reach. Number 14. AI deciphers protein structures. A single protein can determine whether your body fights off disease or succumbs to illness. Yup, that's how life and science work. But DeepMind's AlphaFold is going to change this notion. This AI system can predict the shape of nearly every protein known to science, something that would have taken humans centuries to figure out. Well, it's not ChatGPT. By solving these complex structures, researchers can develop life-saving drugs faster than ever. Diseases that once seemed impossible to treat, like Alzheimer's and antibiotic-resistant infections, are now within reach of a cure. Even more mind-blowing? Scientists have open-sourced the AI's database, meaning that any researcher in the world can access this wealth of information for free. This discovery isn't just theoretical, it's already helping develop new medicines and vaccines. If there was ever a moment to believe that AI could revolutionize healthcare, this is it. Number 13. Single-shot universal flu vaccine. For decades, the flu has been a frustratingly unpredictable virus, forcing millions to get annual vaccines that only offer partial protection. Basically, it is pretty wild. Now, what if we told you that it could soon be a thing of the past? Well, we're not kidding. Scientists have developed a single-shot flu vaccine that could provide lifelong immunity against all flu strains. Instead of targeting one seasonal variant, this breakthrough vaccine trains the immune system to recognize the core of the virus, which rarely changes. This means that even if the flu mutates, which it always does, the body remains protected. This discovery could eliminate the flu as a global health threat and prevent thousands of deaths every year. The vaccine is already in clinical trials, and early results show that it works better than any flu shot before it. If everything goes as planned, we could soon live in a world where getting the flu is no longer a concern. Number 12. Mapping the fruit fly brain. The brain is the most complex structure in the known universe, and scientists have taken a major step in decoding its mysteries. In a groundbreaking achievement, researchers fully mapped the brain of a fruit fly, revealing 140,000 neurons and millions of connections. Why is this important? Because the fruit fly brain shares fundamental similarities with the human brain. By understanding how these neurons work together, scientists can unlock the secrets of human cognition, memory, and even mental illnesses like depression or schizophrenia. This research could lead to better treatments for neurological disorders and even smarter artificial intelligence, as AI developers use these findings to build systems that think more like a brain. The fruit fly may be small, but this discovery is massive for the future of neuroscience. So, the moral of this discovery is that even the tiniest creatures can hold the key to amazing scientific breakthroughs. Number 11. Discovery of Super Earth, TOI 715b. There are maybe septillions or maybe decillions of planets in our universe, and Earth might not be so special after all. Well, that's 100% true. Astronomers have discovered TOI 715b, a super-Earth located 137 light-years away in its star's habitable zone. This means it might have liquid water, one of the key ingredients for life. What makes TOI 715b particularly exciting is its size and orbit. It's larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune, which suggests that it could have an atmosphere capable of supporting life. Unlike many exoplanets that orbit volatile, extreme stars, TOI 715b orbits a stable red dwarf, meaning conditions could be just right for alien life to thrive. With the James Webb Space Telescope already analyzing its atmosphere, we might soon get answers to one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in this vast universe? If there's even the slightest hint of biological activity, this could be the biggest discovery in history. Number 10. Advances in HIV prevention. The fight against HIV has taken a massive leap forward with lenacapavir, a revolutionary new long-acting drug that offers near-total protection against the virus. Unlike current treatments that require daily pills, lenacapavir works with just 2 injections a year. Early trials have shown that it prevents infection with unprecedented success, giving hope to millions worldwide. In addition to stopping transmission, it could simplify treatment for people already living with HIV. No more complicated medication schedules, just a twice-yearly shot. HIV has been one of the deadliest pandemics in history, but this breakthrough means we're closer than ever to wiping it out completely. With continued research, lenacapavir could become the key to ending the HIV epidemic for good. But it doesn't mean that you should do things that put you at risk, because this discovery is still in its early stages, and it is not yet available to everyone. Now, let's move to Number 9. Growing a spine. Scientists have successfully grown a human backbone in the lab, a breakthrough that could transform how we understand spinal development and birth defects. In a study published in Nature, researchers coaxed human stem cells to develop into the notochord, a crucial structure in embryos that later forms the intervertebral discs of the spine. The notochord functions as a biological GPS, guiding the development of the nervous system and other tissues. What makes this discovery so exciting is that the lab-grown notochord behaves just like the real thing, emitting chemical signals that help shape surrounding tissue. This breakthrough could lead to new treatments for spinal birth defects and conditions like degenerative disc disease. Scientists believe that by studying these artificially grown structures, they can better understand spinal disorders and even create treatments for back pain and injuries. This is a major step toward regenerative medicine, where damaged tissues could one day be replaced with lab-grown versions. Number 8. RNA-based pesticides enter the field. Traditional pesticides have long been a necessary evil, keeping crops safe but harming ecosystems in the process. Scientists have now developed RNA-based pesticides, a revolutionary approach that targets specific pests without affecting other organisms. Unlike chemical pesticides, which wipe out both harmful and beneficial species, RNA pesticides work by disrupting the genes of a particular pest, preventing it from surviving or reproducing. This technology is a game changer for agriculture. Farmers can now protect crops without poisoning the environment, reducing soil and water contamination while ensuring pollinators like bees remain unharmed. Some RNA-based pesticides are already in advanced trials, showing unprecedented effectiveness against major crop-destroying insects. However, challenges remain. Scientists are still studying long-term ecological impacts, and large-scale adoption will require strict regulations to prevent unintended consequences. If successful, RNA-based pesticides could end the era of toxic chemicals in farming, paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future in agriculture. Number 7. A vaccine and new treatments to fight Ebola. Ebola has long been one of the deadliest viral diseases, but for the first time, science is winning the fight. The Ervebo vaccine, developed by Merck, has proven to be highly effective, drastically reducing Ebola cases in outbreak zones. Approved by the FDA and European Medicines Agency, this vaccine has been deployed in high-risk areas like the Democratic Republic of the Congo, or DRC, helping contain deadly outbreaks. In addition to prevention, new therapeutic treatments have emerged. Scientists have developed antibody-based drugs that stop the virus from infecting cells, significantly increasing survival rates for those already infected. Clinical trials in the DRC have shown promising results, raising hopes for a future where Ebola is no longer a global health threat. With vaccines and treatments working together, eradication is now a real possibility. This marks a turning point in infectious disease control, proving that even the deadliest viruses can be stopped with scientific innovation and global cooperation. Number 6. AI predicts accelerated global warming. Climate change predictions have taken a disturbing turn thanks to AI models that suggest global temperatures may rise faster than expected. New research using machine learning and transfer learning techniques has revealed that Earth could hit 3 degrees Celsius of warming within decades, far sooner than previous estimates. This is alarming news, as even 2 degrees Celsius of warming is expected to cause severe weather extremes, ecosystem collapses, and rising sea levels. The AI-driven model was trained on hundreds of years of climate data, making it one of the most precise predictions yet. Scientists warn that if carbon emissions aren't drastically cut, we could see irreversible environmental damage by 2050. This discovery underscores the urgency of global climate action. While AI helps predict future risks, the real question is whether world leaders will act fast enough. If changes aren't made soon, the future of Earth could be on the brink of disaster. Number 5. Quantum teleportation achieved over fiber networks. Quantum physics just took a giant leap forward, with scientists successfully achieving quantum teleportation over existing fiber optic networks. This means that data can be transferred in seconds across distances, using the mysterious properties of quantum entanglement. For decades, quantum teleportation seemed like a sci-fi concept, but this new research brings it closer to real-world applications. The ability to send information without physical transfer could revolutionize cybersecurity, communication, and computing. Quantum encryption could become unhackable, protecting sensitive data from cyber threats. This also lays the foundation for a future quantum internet, where computers operate at speeds beyond imagination. Unlike classical computing, which relies on binary code, quantum computing can process complex calculations instantly, solving problems too vast for traditional machines. Though still in its infancy, this technology is advancing rapidly. Experts predict that within a decade, quantum networks could replace traditional digital communication, leading to a new era of ultra-secure, lightning-fast data transfer. Number 4. Reverting cancer cells to normal. For years, cancer research has focused on destroying tumors, but what if cancer cells could simply be reprogrammed to behave like normal cells? Well, scientists in South Korea have discovered a way to do just that by identifying master molecular switches that control how cells grow and divide. This new approach doesn't kill cancer cells. It forces them to return to their original healthy state. The breakthrough comes from studying cell differentiation, the process that tells stem cells what type of tissue to become. Researchers found that by targeting specific proteins, they could reverse the cancerous transformation, effectively switching off malignancy. Early lab tests have shown astonishing success, with aggressive tumors shrinking without toxic side effects. This could lead to a complete shift in cancer treatment, replacing chemotherapy and radiation with precise molecular therapies. If further trials prove effective, this discovery could be one of the most revolutionary medical advances of all time. Now, let's head over to number 3. Parker Solar Probe touches the sun. For the first time in history, a human-made spacecraft has entered the sun's corona, thanks to NASA's Parker Solar Probe. This mission is giving scientists an unprecedented look at the mysterious outer layer of our star, where solar winds and magnetic fields shape space weather. Studying the sun up close is crucial because solar activity affects everything from power grids to satellites. Understanding how solar storms form could help predict dangerous space weather events, preventing potential global blackouts and communication failures. The probe is also investigating the solar heating mystery, why the sun's outer atmosphere is hotter than its surface, something that has baffled astronomers for decades. As it gets closer with each orbit, Parker is expected to rewrite everything we know about our sun. This is a milestone in space exploration, bringing us one step closer to unraveling the secrets of our solar system's most powerful force. Number 2. Organelle discovery adds a new chapter to cell biology. The inside of a cell is a microscopic universe, and scientists just discovered a new organelle that could rewrite biology textbooks. This previously unknown compartment within cells plays a crucial role in protein processing and cellular organization, offering insights into how cells adapt to stress and maintain health. Unlike classic organelles like the nucleus or mitochondria, this structure seems to form and dissolve as needed, suggesting cells are even more dynamic than previously believed. The discovery has huge implications, particularly for neurodegenerative diseases and cancer research. Understanding how this organelle works could unlock new ways to treat diseases at the cellular level, offering targeted therapies for conditions that have long baffled scientists. Researchers are now investigating whether malfunctions in this organelle could be linked to conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. If proven, this discovery could lead to breakthrough treatments that improve cellular function and extend human lifespan in ways we've never imagined. Number 1. Discovery of the most distant spiral galaxy, Xulong. Astronomers have identified Xulong, the most distant spiral galaxy ever observed, existing just 1.1 billion years after the Big Bang. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about how galaxies form and evolve. Spiral galaxies like the Milky Way were believed to take billions of years to develop their characteristic arms. Yet Xulong appears to have formed much earlier than expected, suggesting that galaxy formation happened faster and more efficiently in the early universe than previously believed. Using data from the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have analyzed Xulong's structure, finding that its spiral arms are already well defined, a feature once thought impossible at such an early cosmic stage. This revelation forces astronomers to rethink existing models of galaxy evolution and raises new questions about how and why the early universe was able to create complex structures so quickly. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you very soon.